Hello YouTube, welcome to a new synth anatomy video. Today I want to give you a first audio demo about the Soulsby Synthesizers miniAtmegatron. This small device is a 8-bit synthesizer based on an Arduino Uno and a special shield. The audio engine is based on the big brother Atmegatron, and the synthesizer is a DIY product and must be soldered. The synth comes with 6 knobs which allows to manipulate the parameters. On each page you have 6 different parameters to tweak, include the volume and the pitch on the bottom right. The miniAtmegatron is a very deep little synthesizer, because you have a big amount of different waveforms, filters, envelopes, melodies and more to select. With the function and value button on the button, you can change these parameters. I give you now a first audio demo about this nice 8-bit synthesizer. The sounds will be very aggressive due to the 8-bit synthesis engine. I hope you enjoyed this first sound demo about the miniAtmegatron. I will release soon a second sound demo, and for closing it, I will release my final review about this little synthesizer from Soulsby Synthesizers. Please write me in the comments below, what do you think about the miniAtmegatron? If you liked this video, please leave a positive thumb and a subscription for more future videos. Many thanks for watching and for your continued support. I hope to see you again in one of my next videos. Bye!